These plugins are so good. They should be paid, but guess what? They're free to use, and they'll completely change the way you edit. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these are the tools that save time and make your videos look like they came out of a studio. And if you stick with me till the end, I'll show you a plugin used by over 4 million editors, plus an AI tool that actually lives inside your editing software. Let's start with something fun and super visual.
Let's have some fun.
If you love that retro look, the PX-VHS plugin is like a time machine for your footage. You get multiple presets, authentic distortions, and full customization, from a gentle vintage touch to a perfectly recorded VHS tape aesthetic. The setting lets you decide how far you want to go. That flexibility means you can use it for edits, titles, overlays, pretty much anywhere. Now, if VHS takes you back, PX-CRT takes you all the way to the TV era. Think old school monitors with scan lines, distortion, and that glowy pixel look. The beauty of PX-CRT is how customizable it is. You can control how sharp the scan lines are, how much distortion you want, even the pixel density. That means you can go subtle and modern, or full-on retro arcade style. And unlike most CRT filters out there, this isn't just a simple overlay. This is pixel-accurate processing, which means it actually feels like it was shot off an old TV screen. Action FX Pro is one of those plugins that immediately makes your edits pop. Think animated bursts, explosions, fire hits, electric zaps. Basically all the stuff that makes the scene feel dynamic and alive. The magic here isn't just the assets themselves, it's the customization. You can deform them, pixelate them, change the look entirely to match your project. So it's not just stock explosions, it's a toolkit that adapts to your style. This is perfect for gaming edits, sports montages, or cinematic trailers. And here's the kicker, you don't need to be an After Effects wizard. It's just drag and drop, then tweak a few sliders, and you're done. Alright, let's talk about typography. TypeToon is one of my personal favorites because it works with any font, in any language. That means whether you're writing in English, Spanish, Japanese, or Hindi, you can get these dynamic cartoon-style text animations. And what makes it even better is that you're not limited to just letters. It also works with numbers and symbols. That gives you endless creative possibilities. Plus, you can customize colors, change font styles, and really make the text match your project's vibe. Now, on the other side of typography, we have PX Kinetype. This is all about kinetic motion. Text that syncs with audio or flows with your storytelling. Think of those bold title sequences in ads or music videos, where the text becomes part of the rhythm. That's what Kinetype does for you. The presets are fully customizable. You can adjust timing, ease, direction, so your typography doesn't just move, it performs. Okay, now for the part that really blew my mind. We've seen effects, explosions, and text. But what if I told you that your editing software could literally talk for you? This one changes everything. The AI Voiceover plugin brings text-to-speech directly into Premiere Pro and After Effects. No exporting, no third-party apps, no wasting time. You just type your script, pick a voice, and boom! You've got a voiceover track right in your timeline. Now, here's why this is huge. For content creators, you don't need to hire a voice actor for quick lines. For agencies, you can update scripts instantly without re-recording. For YouTubers, it saves hours. And honestly, the voices sound shockingly natural. It's like having a built-in narrator for your edits. And finally, the grand finale, Motion Factory. If you grab one plugin from this video, make it this one. Motion Factory is a complete creative toolbox built right into your editing workflow. We're talking templates, overlays, transitions, sound effects, titles, basically everything you'd normally download separately, all in one place. It's trusted by over 4 million editors around the world. That's how good it is. If you're editing regularly, Motion Factory saves you an insane amount of time, and it keeps all your tools organized. So yeah, these plugins are so good they honestly feel like paid ones, but they're not. And you can grab them for free right now at pixflow.net.